The Seguin Wasabi Special, also known as the Wasabi Siren, is a custom-built Formula One class Pylon racing aircraft designed and built by aerospace engineer and pilot Elliot Seguin. The aircraft was developed at the Mojave Air and Spaceport in California specifically for high-speed competition at the National Championship Air Races in Reno, Nevada. Construction began around 2011, and the first flight took place in 2012 after approximately 2 years of work. The Wasabi Special is a single-seat, low-wing racing aircraft with conventional taildragger landing gear. Its airframe was built primarily from composite materials such as carbon fiber and fiberglass to achieve high strength with low weight. The streamlined fuselage and efficient wing design were optimized to reduce drag and maintain stability during tight, high-speed pylon turns. The cockpit was specially designed to fit Seguin's tall frame, improving comfort, circulation, and visibility during races. Power is supplied by a modified Continental O-200 piston engine, producing about 100 horsepower, the standard engine required for Formula One racing. The aircraft was developed by the Wasabi Air Racing Team, founded by Seguin with Jennifer Whaley and engineer Justin Gillen. Much of the construction work was completed during evenings and weekends using Mojave fabrication facilities. After the first flight, the aircraft underwent a structured testing program involving multiple flights to evaluate handling, stability, and performance. During testing, minor aerodynamic refinements were introduced, including adjustments to control surfaces and drag reduction features. After successful evaluation, the aircraft received certification in the experimental amateur-built category, allowing it to participate in competitive racing. The Wasabi Special debuted at the Reno National Championship Air Races in 2013, qualifying at 229 miles per hour. In the 2013 season, the aircraft won one heat race and finished 8th overall in the Formula One Gold Race. Continued improvements increased performance, leading to a 4th-place finish in 2014 and a 3rd-place finish in 2015, with race speeds exceeding 236 miles per hour. On July 28, 2014, Seguin flew the aircraft from Mojave, California, to Oshkosh, Wisconsin, setting a Fédération Aéronautique International world record in its weight class for piston-powered aircraft. The non-stop flight averaged about 163 miles per hour and included several experimental aircraft flying together. The aircraft carries registration number N41WS and competed under race number 68. It is a civilian racing aircraft without armament and equipped with standard flight instruments and navigation equipment required for racing. The Wasabi Special demonstrates how small engineering teams can design and refine competitive racing aircraft through careful testing and continuous improvement.